Hi everyone, today we're going to do lesson 93 of Lit Skills. First, we're going to start by listening for sounds at the beginning of a word. I'm going to say a list of words. Some of the words will have the Z sound at the beginning and some will not. I'll say the word first and then you'll say the word. Remember, we're listening for the Z sound at the beginning of a word. What's the sound we're listening for? Yes, Z. Listen. Say zoo. Give me a thumbs up if you hear the Z sound at the beginning of zoo. Right. Zoo begins with the sound Z. Next word, listen, zip. Say zip. Give me a thumbs up if you hear Z at the beginning of zip. Yes. Zip begins with the sound Z. Next word, listen, soap. Say soap. Give me a thumbs up if you hear the Z sound at the beginning of soap. No, soap does not begin with the sound Z. Next word, zoom. Say zoom. Give me a thumbs up if you hear the sound Z at the beginning of zoom. Yeah, zoom begins with the sound Z. Next word, tan. Say tan. Give me a thumbs up if you hear Z at the beginning of tan. No, tan does not begin with the sound Z. Next word, zebra. Say zebra. Give me a thumbs up if you hear Z at the beginning of zebra. Yeah, zebra begins with the sound Z. Great job, everybody. Here's our next activity. We're going to listen to sounds at the end of a word. I'm going to say a list of words. Some will have the sound X at the end and some will not. I'll say the word first and then you'll say the word. Think about the last sound we hear in each word. Remember, we're listening for the X sound at the end of the word, as in sticks. What sound are you listening for at the end? Yes, X. Listen, fox. Say fox. Give me a thumbs up if you hear the X sound at the end of fox. Yes, fox ends with the sound X. Next word, listen, box. Say box. Give me a thumbs up if you hear the X sound at the end of box. Yes, box ends with the sound X. Next word, listen, apple. Say apple. Give me a thumbs up if you hear X at the end of apple. No, apple does not end with the sound X. Next word, socks. Say socks. Give me a thumbs up if you hear the X sound at the end of socks. Yes, socks ends with the sound X. Next word, listen, thumb. Say thumb. Give me a thumbs up if you hear the sound X at the end of thumb. No, thumb does not end with the sound X. Last word, listen, picks. Say picks. Give me a thumbs up if you hear X at the end of picks. Yes, picks ends with the sound X. Great job. All right, here's our next game. We're going to play a game where we find something the same. I'm going to say 3 words. Listen closely and see if you can tell me which sound is the same. I'll show you how to do the first one. My turn. What sound is the same in fair, here, and bear? Yep, because fair, here, and bear all end with the sound Your turn. What's the same in fair, bear, and hair? So I must come here. Yes. Fair, here, and bear all end with the sound Let's try some more. What sound is the same in had, toad, and red? Yes, D. What sound is the same in off, rough, and puff? What sound is the same in tear, pour, and more? What sound is the same in feed, side, and glad? What sound is the same in cough, reef, and death? Yes. Great job, everybody. Now we're going to work on a letter. Today, you'll learn how to write the letter W. The name of this letter is capital W. What's the name? Yeah, capital W. Again, what's the letter name? Capital W. We're going to practice writing capital W. When you practice writing, you're going to start and stop the letter and also know which way to move your hand. It's tricky, but you're smart, so you'll learn how to write the capital W very quickly. Watch how I do it in the air. Watch again. Now let's practice how to do the capital W in the air together. Hold up your writing hand and make a W in the air. Let's practice W again. Now practice writing a W like we just did on the table in front of you. Good. Now you can pause the video here to get a piece of paper and a pencil, because we're going to need that for spelling as well. When you get your piece of paper, practice writing a capital W 3 times. Then we're going to move on to spelling. Make sure that your capital W looks like this. Okay, now we're going to move on to spelling. Now, the first thing we're going to do is write a sound. Here's the sound you're going to write. Listen. What sound? Right. Next, you're going to write the word him. This is a tough word. I'll say the sounds in him the hard way. Listen. Your turn. Say the sounds in him. Get ready. Write the word him. Next, you're going to write the word sun. Listen, sun. Say the sounds in sun the hard way. Get ready. Everybody, write the word sun. Next word, you're going to write the word not. Think about the sounds in not and write the word not. Next word, you're going to write the word nut. Saying the sounds in nut the hard way. Get ready. Everybody, write the word nut. Next, you're going to write the word Ron. Think about the sounds in Ron and write the word. Next, you're going to write the word run. Listen, run. Saying the sounds in run the hard way. Get ready. Write the word run. Last word, listen. You're going to write the word fun. Say the sounds in fun the hard way. Get ready. Write the word fun. Great job with your spelling. Next, you're going to write the sentence. We're going to do our sentence fluency. For our sentence fluency today, we're writing the sentence, she had a cat. Remember, good writers always start with a capital letter and end with punctuation. Your sentence should match mine. She had a cat. Make sure you take a picture of your spelling page and your sound fluency page and send it to me after. Great job, everybody. Thanks for watching this video.